Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your Oukitel WP6, at the first you have to move for the settings, then tap on the system settings, go for the languages input, tap on the virtual keyboard, and right now we have to go for the Gboard. Here we have to move for the theme, tap right here, and right now we are able to choose the picture that you want to set up. So I'm going for the flash. Here we can pinch to scale, drag, or we just move it however we want. If you set up everything, click next, and here we are able to set up the transparency of the picture. If you set up, click done, tap apply, and right now when you use your keyboard you will see that your theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.